of handling cases differs depending on the resources and location of the district and regional offices, Your Honor.
No, actually, let me clarify my question. Kasi kadalasan ganito nangyayari. Merong isang lalapit sa inyo, tapos doon, tinulungan nyo. Tapos yung kalaban lumapit sa inyo, tapos ayaw na tanggapin kasi nauna doon yung kabila. Now, the Supreme Court has said that the bar, the conflict of interest, only applies at the individual level. But on the office level, you can put up a Chinese wall so that you can represent both parties, provided that there is no collusion or exchange of confidential information internally.
Yes, Your Honor. Sometimes, Your Honor, in handling cases, even the division or the head of the office is actually involved in handling the cases. So if an opponent approaches the district office and the first client was already assisted by the lawyer, including his or her supervisor, we would refer the cases to the nearest district office, Your Honor.
Okay. Last question, Mr. Chair.
Yeah. Please.
To the parole and probation board, given the budget that is allocated for the parole and probation authority, is it sufficient, insufficient, given the problems that you have? And if so, what kinds of reforms do you need? Alam ko, Mr. Chair, compound, pero talagang kinocompress ko na lang.
With the permission of the Secretary, hindi po kulang. Kulang po ang budget ng Parole and Probation Administration. Kulang po siya because ang workload ng isang probation officer ay 1:400 probationers per officer. Mabigat po ito because nagsusupervise siya at saka nag-investigate at the same time. Kailangan po namin ng modernization law to uplift the salary grade of entry probation officers.
Oh, aside from that, what else? What kinds of reforms are you seeking?
Apart from that, we need to restore our budget from the PADS anti-drug strategy para po mabigyan kami ng 48 million for next year. We will hire 150 case decongestion assistants to deal only with the congested cases that we have. Thank you, sir.
Just to put on record, Mr. Chair,
Please proceed. Yes.
I've been meeting with the Parole and Probation Authority to actually address their needs, and I've filed legislation to actually address those problems, so that to capacitate them so they can do a better job. On that, after that, wala na ako tatanong, Mr. Chair, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Representative Roman. So, from the majority, we go back to the minority, and we have Deputy Minority Leader Percy Sendanya.
Maraming pong salamat, Mr. Chair. Ang magandang hapon po sa DOJ family led by our good Secretary Remulla. May nakita po akong post recently na isa kong kababata. Ang sabi po niyang ganun, dati daw po ang pinapanood niya ay Netflix, pero ngayon daw po ang pinapanood na niya ay ang mga hearings natin dito sa Kongreso. Sign daw po na nagkakaedad na siya. Yung aking pong first set of question is about a group of people na opo, nagkakaedad na, pero unlike yung mga kababata po, hindi po nakakapanood ang ating hearings sapagkat sila po ay mga PDLs. So the question is, may datos po ba tayo kung ilan po ang ating mga senior citizens o mga elderly na ngayon po ay nakakulong sa mga jails at sa ating pong prisons?
Yung sa jail po, wala ko tayong data. Nasa BJMP po yan. For its correction sa Bucor, probably General Katapang might have the information available.
With the permission of the Secretary, Mr. Chair, maybe about 500 to 1,000 are our senior citizen, and they are likewise catching up with age. That's why one of the bills that we want to ask from Congress is the medical parole bill, Mr. Chair.
Maraming pong salamat and thank you for mentioning this recommendation to the House of Representatives for that particular legislation. Doon po sa 500 to 1,000, medyo malapad po yung range, no? Ilan po kaya doon sa ating mga
Get up to 50% off discounts on 100% authentic items, only from Last Mall on Lazada, and with free shipping too. Shop now and save more on Lazada.
hunt?
They are really incapacitated. Naggawa po kami ng kulungan, so-called kulungan na kubo-kubo na lang. Ang tawag namin kanlungan ni Lolo. So they are not anymore inside the jail, but they are free to move around so that may fresh air. And then of course, yung nga po, we are transferring them to Palawan because congested po kami dito sa Muntinlupa, Mr. Chair.
Makikita po ba natin ito pong binabanggit ninyo ng mga interventions po sa inyong budget? Kasi po naniniwala po ako kapag priority natin isang bagay, dapat po meron tayong allocation para dito.
Opo, Mr. Chair, nag-allocate po kami sa MOE namin. Although hindi po capital, dapat po capital outlay yan, pero talaga pong pinipilit namin na ma-address ang ating mga senior citizen and of course sick leave. Ang gusto namin sana maipasa 70 years old and above.
Guys,
And then,
thank you for watching.